Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about what is not only my new favorite piece of furniture in my house, but also my favorite new gadget. And that is because this is a super high-tech device. This is the Beyond Smart iTable. It has a power console speaker containing iTable. Really super cool, beautiful, looks great, very functional as an end table, but also has a lot of really amazingly awesome super tech features to it, and I'm going to go over all of those. Let's do a really quick overview. You've got your nice table here to set things. You've got a speaker here that has nice sound and that you can connect your phone to, or you'll see even like an Amazon Echo device to use this speaker for that. You've got this huge space here for storage. You can fit a lot of dog toys, a lot of stuffed animals, kids' toys, remote controls, whatever you want. Huge space here, lots of storage. You've got wireless charging built into this. You've got power USB, USB-C ports. You've got these cool power grommets, and I'm going to show you exactly what those are and how those work. Really an excellent end table with some amazingly awesome cool tech features. Let's go over every one of those. Let's start with this table. This is a nice, great space table, great for setting stuff down on a plate or bowl or something. And then here you've got these two circles. These are wireless chargers. That's right. You can set your phone down on top of this and get it wirelessly charged. You can set your wireless charging earbuds down here and get them charged. Wireless chargers. But guess what? Besides being wireless chargers, they're also cup holders. You just press the buttons here and they slide down, and now you've got a great place to set your cup. Or you could set your cup here and set your phone here to be charging it. Wireless chargers that also dub as cup holders. Very cool feature. Now you've got a USB-C and a USB port here, so you can also be using these to charge or power devices, which is great. Then you've got this great speaker up front. Now if you connect to the speaker with your phone through Bluetooth, and you've got your Bluetooth connection button right here, when you first turn it on, it automatically looks to pair. After 10 seconds, if there's nothing pairing to it, it just goes into a solid mode. And if you pair your phone to it, you can fully control the music that's playing using your controls here. You've got a volume up and down buttons here. You long press those to increase or decrease the volume. You've also got next track, previous track, play, pause, all right here. So your phone could be here charging, and you could just be using that to control the music, which is great. You can also change the color of these lights. A simple press of the power button goes from red to white to green, so whatever color you like, you can have it that color. You have a lock button down here. If you hold that down for 3 seconds, you'll lock these buttons so that none of them will function. You won't accidentally touch one, if that's a concern. Another thing that's cool is there's a button down here. It looks like another Bluetooth button. What's that for? Well, if you have 2 of these end tables, maybe one on each end of the sofa, you use that to connect them to each other. So that then when you connect your phone to this and you're playing music, it doesn't just play out of the speaker on this one, it plays out of the speaker on both of them. Now the speakers that are in these, they're really good sounding speakers, get pretty decently loud, plenty for a living room. They're not going to have like super duper bass to them, but just a great all-around speaker. And I want to just play some music so you can kind of hear how it sounds. So let's jump over to that.
Bluetooth connected.
So you see, great sounding speaker, very good, clear sound for a speaker that's built into an end table, very impressive. So that's really cool. Now, one of the things that I have found, one of the ways that I have found to use this, that's kind of a unique and cool way to use it, is with an Amazon Echo Dot. And I have it here, I have it plugged into this USB, so that's powering the Dot. but then I connected the dot to this speaker. I leave this console on all the time. You can turn it on or off using this power button. 3 seconds on, hold it down for 3 seconds, turn it off. But I generally just leave it on. And I leave that Echo Dot connected to this speaker. That becomes the speaker for the Echo Dot device. So when I give commands, this is how it responds through this speaker. And that, to me, is my favorite use of this speaker. The fact that I can power the Echo device with this USB, and then I can use this speaker as the sound for it. So let's jump over to a quick video so you can kind of see how that works. Echo, turn on the dining room lights. Echo, what time is it in France?
In France, it's 3:19 p.m.
Echo, remind me at 3 p.m. to get cold brew coffee from the grocery store.
Okay, I'll remind you at 3 p.m.
Echo, set the thermostat to 70 degrees.
The heat's set to 70.
Echo, play music by Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift from Eric Rye's Apple Music.
So you can see already, this is a super amazingly awesome tech device, and I haven't even gotten to one of the coolest features, and that's these cool power grommets that are on the front here. You're like, okay, what are those for? What's a power grommet? Well, let me show you. I'm glad you asked. Here we go. Power grommet accessory number 1. I'm gonna put it right here, and you can see that's a light, and it's just tap on, tap off. Goes through 3 levels, well, 2 levels and off. So low, high, and off. And it bends different ways, and then this turns different ways. So if your sofa was on this side, you could have it over here as a nice reading light without disturbing everyone else because it's not too bright. Or if you're watching a movie or something and you just want a little light in the room because you don't want it to be completely dark, you could, turn it away from you and point it more up towards the corner of the room. So just have a little ambient light. And if you don't want it, you could just turn it off. Or, of course, you could just remove it. But there's another accessory. And this accessory is the tablet or phone holder. You can put that, I'm gonna put that in that one. Now, if you had your sofa on this side of the end table, you could put your phone in there or your tablet, and you could have it pointed towards you so that you can be using your phone without having to hold it the whole time, or even a tablet. If you're reading a book on a Kindle, you could put it in there. What's great is this does have a wireless charging built into it. It's not a super strong wireless charger, so you do have to take your phone out of the case if you want to use that. But in addition, it also has the USB port on the bottom here. So you can plug a wire into this USB port, charging wire, and then plug the other end into your phone or your tablet and be powering it that way, charging it that way while you're using it. And this is flexible and bends so that you can get it to the position that you want it to be. And that's why I love this device, is that you've got, it's a beautiful end table, completely fabric covered, 360. Comes in 4 different colors. This is like the brown latte color. There's also a blue navy-ish color. There's a pewter grayish color, and then there's a ivory or beige-ish color. So you can get the color that works for you. It's completely covered all the way around. You've got this nice top part that, you can see your arm on it. It's nice and cushioned. You've got that huge storage section. You've got this great tray to set things on, and you've got the wireless charging built into it that also becomes a cup holder if you need a cup holder. You've got this speaker that you can use to play music from your phone, or you can connect to an Amazon Echo like I did, a little dot, and use this speaker with that. And then you've got these power grommets. Now, these power grommets, in addition to the light and the tablet phone holder, which come with the end table, there are additional accessories that they're going to be releasing in the future. Things like a wine glass holder or a snack bowl holder. So you can have your snacks right here and not have to have them in your lap. An aroma diffuser, lots of different cool things that they're going to be coming out with in the future so that you can enhance this even more and have more uses for it with the accessories that work great for you. So really excellent end table by Beyond Smart. Again, Beyond Smart iTable with speaker and power console. Really excellent product. I love it in my living room. It works great, and it is definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions about it, just post them in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.